If you feel you are getting distracted with the level of notifications you get from your Facebook app on your iPhone, you can turn that off. The first step is to tap on the Settings app. As the Settings app opens, scroll down until you get to the Apps section. Tap on that Apps. On this app settings, apps are listed in alphabetical order, so scroll until you get to Facebook and tap on it. One of the options here is notifications, alright? So tap on it. On tapping on notifications, you can see allow notifications is turned on. Please tap on that button for it to be turned off. And with this, henceforth, you'll stop getting notifications from Facebook app installed on your iPhone and focus on other important things. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section.